Okay, everybody, this is Leanne. She is pretty much at her 1 year anniversary of going through the complete shockwave plan. If you guys go back and look at her previous videos, she had a tremendous amount of shoulder pain, couldn't sleep at night and so forth. And we stuck it out through shockwave, and she's going to tell you where she's at today a year later.
Okay, well, if you look at the first video, I probably couldn't have done more than about this. And this is where I'm at now.
Well, that's really good.
And originally this was the original shoulder.
Yeah.
Then this one started coming in, and the same thing. It was like here, and now we're up to here, and over here, and back there. So
are you pain free?
I'm gonna say 98%. It's mostly just dull ache.
Okay.
That's it, and I can deal with that.
Okay, but
no sharp pain, no keeping me awake at night, no.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I turn over, I'll feel it, but nothing like it was before.
Okay. Treatment definitely helped you though.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, Leanne, thank you.
You're welcome.